How to delete Facebook page permanently. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open the application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this three horizontal line. Right here, head over to your Facebook page. Now tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Inside settings, head over to general. Scroll down and you'll get to see the option of permanently delete. Tap on it. Here it says once you delete the page, you won't be able to get it back again. So when you're actually ready to delete the page, tap on delete page. Well, your Facebook page has been deleted successfully. Tap on Facebook. Here if you tap on three horizontal line, you won't be able to see your Facebook page anymore, which means it has already been deleted permanently. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to delete your Facebook page permanently. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thanks for watching it till the end.